Okay, so now we're past the mindless bolting on of jewelry. We actually have to do something a little critical here, and we are going to be timing in the cam. We have this degreeable cam and also the adjustable chain tension with the twin idler gear. Both are Kamiri, and we're going to be getting this running good. You might notice I have the oil spray bar, and that is to ensure that we're getting good oil coverage on those rockers to save them. I believe these are drilled. You can see the holes right here, but with the oil spray bar, I think it's a little bit better. So I'm gonna be doing this. I have to relearn because it's been maybe like a year and a half since I've done this. So it's always good to take a second to reevaluate and make sure that we're timing the engine correctly. And then we'll be able to do the distributor. And I have the radiator sitting right here just to give us a little bit extra space in the front of the car. Almost there, man. Almost.